Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt. In this video, we're going to unbox the brand new Samsung Q60B series QLED. This is one of their 2022 models. It's replacing the Q60A from last year. So we're going to open it up, show you all the accessories that come inside, and then give our first impressions of the picture, so stay tuned. Here's all of our accessories that come in the box. We've got the new solar-powered remote, then there's a couple of cable management clips, a power cord, and your two pedestal legs. So we've got the TV all set up. This is the sort of introductory point to the QLEDs for 2022. It's a 60 hertz panel. So it does, you are sacrificing some to step down to this one. However, the picture quality is really nice so far from what we've been able to see. So it's something that I think a lot of people are gonna be happy with. We're gonna dive a little further into it in our full overview, so make sure you stay tuned for that one. As always, we appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next one.